back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Y'all ever wake up from a crazy dream, bro, and go, damn, whatever I just dreamt about, I gotta just try that, because it seems like a crazy idea. Well, it happened today, and we're doing it. The last one, bro, it was me going skydiving, so I was like, screw it, let's go skydiving, you know? It should be fun, let my balls flap in the wind, you know, feel like a true man up there. I kind of shit myself. Although I think this one's gonna turn out, well, I don't know, it's like 75% chance this one's gonna work out. Just like the parachute, actually. About 75% chance. I went down with a rookie. Didn't know till midway when he started on me, you know, and then that's when we both started SHI. It was a bad thing. Anyway, boys, thumbs up, comment down below like usual. Actually, definitely leave the comments. Do you think this is gonna work? I actually think it's a great idea. I was gonna do it regardless. I thought I may as well film it. So, what the plan is, actually, first off, Debrief.com, boys. We got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All you gotta do is pay shipping. Make sure to add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, blah, blah, blah. Link is down below. We gotcha. It puts money in my pocket, and it's great. Thanks. To keep it 100. Alright, so here's the idea, boys. I went to Harvard for like 15 years, so take me seriously here. First off, you guys know that pink diamond, right? Made quite famously to a lot of people that didn't know about it before from Lil Uzi Vert. You know, he put that motherfucker on his head. It was weird. I think it fell off at one point. He was down bad. But he did it. The pink diamonds are worth a lot of money. So I guess in my dreams, I got thinking about a lot of money, and then I went to pink. Maybe not that pink, but then maybe, I don't know how my dreams went, bro. All I know is I had to clean the sheet. Oh, I can't stop. Anyway, that was a joke. Anyway, I dreamt, what if we take wine, and I thought about this soberly, not sleeping. What if we take wine and pour it on diamond jewelry? Now the thing is here, boys, we want to take some real nice diamond jewelry. Not necessarily real diamond jewelry, but ones where they're set nice. Now my plan is we pour the wine on the jewelry, it soaks in underneath the diamonds, now reflecting them pink. I think this is a fucking killer idea. I won't lie. First off, where do we get the wine? Oh, also kids, don't do this at home, blah, blah, blah. You cooking motherfriggers on YouTube, they use wine in their videos, so I don't get in trouble with me, YouTube. I dare you to. Don't actually say that, Brad. So anyway, I found some wine. My girl had a bag of wine, if you will. These girls be doing crazy things nowadays, man. I don't know what the f this is. So wine engaged. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go get a bottle. I think it'll look better for the thumbnail and just overall like artisticness of this video. Alright, boys, ready for the experiment? Bottle engaged. We got some, what's this called? What's this called? I don't even know where we got this from. All I know is my girl did not share this with me, which is kind of a bummer. Sparkling fruit juice. Now, it's mainly for the thumbnail and the look. We're just gonna carefully, I don't know how we're freaking gonna do this. And I got new floors down here, bro. If any of this wine spills, I'm f***ed. Now I got pissed. Come on, little guy. Come on. Oh, no! This is my favorite shirt. Oh no, soap in the wine, soap in the wine. Oh god. I was trying to take a little amount so she wouldn't notice. Oh, now it looks like I pissed myself. This is great. Step 1 complete! Your wife is now pissed. Now you guys are probably wondering, boys, what we're gonna use. I thought I'd like go full on conviction with my thoughts here. Hopefully it doesn't wreck this damn thing. It's GLD watch, whatever. Still worth about $1,000. But if I can make this look like pink diamonds, I think it's totally worth it. Cause then like, I already look expensive as it is here, right? Now it's all pink, although nobody really knows what pink diamonds are. Well, regardless, we're using this. I think it'll also look good in the thumbnail, and it's a really nice tester. Once again, these are set real nice, so it should soak in right underneath them and get that hue that we're talking about. Boys, bottle engaged, fruit juice YouTube. Now I gotta go set up a nice thumbnail shot and talk over it. This is the hard part, boys. This is where art comes into play. Oh man, I hope this works. All right, trekking around the yard here, looking for a good spot to put this. Is the hard part, bro. It's cold too. Something like that. How's that look? Brand editing room. How's that look? Looks bad. Maybe like that. This is just a day in the life of just setting up some really sick shots, boys. Be like me. Be me. The moment of truth, boys. Let her pour. Pour like your grandma in her diaper. Yeah, that was rude. My bad, bro. All right, so let's. Still wet, it's a little slippery up there. I was in bare feet. Now I got this already pegged up. Let's blow dry real quick. gonna talk about this downstairs. Debrief time. So it dripped off, and I got a swollen hand now. I think I'm gonna damage a little something in there with that slip. It hurts a little bit, but it's gonna look a little cool. Now, boys, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I'll be the first to frickin' admit every single time when I use the wrong red wine. Like, this is ridiculous. So, yeah, that's just, it's an L. If anything, it just damaged this probably. I don't see any drips in there yet, but I'm assuming they'll come. Yeah. Don't follow your dreams, kids. Don't follow your dreams.